Wow, I didn't mean to record that, but okay. I was gonna say, I bet this area is gorgeous in the spring when this hill is really super green. I don't know if you can see that, but looks kind of fun. Aerial and bounce fitness. Good morning. Today is my first rest day in San Luis Obispo, and I am so excited to just do nothing. And in the spirit of that, I am waiting for a bus here instead of walking. It would be like a 30-minute walk each way, so yeah, just gonna be lazy and rest and enjoy that. So for breakfast, I'm gonna check out this place called Slow Dough Co., which is like a donut shop. It looks really good, and I love a good donut, so I will definitely check that out and get some coffee there while I'm at it. I think today is just gonna be hanging around, doing some chores. There is another brewery in town I want to check out called Libertine, so I'm probably gonna do that. Yesterday, last night at the Central Coast Brewing, the bartender there was originally from Humboldt County, and we got to talking, and I mentioned, you know, for my trip I'm going to Humboldt County, and she's like, oh yeah, I'm from a town called Shelter Cove, and I was like, oh yeah, that's one I wanted to check out because they have black sand beaches. And she's like, oh, that's so cool, and she told me not to cycle on the road going out to Shelter Cove because people drive crazy and it's really steep and there's lots of turns and there's no shoulder and it's just bad news for cyclists. She gave me the number for this tour group that gives rides out to Shelter Cove, and that was just awesome. And she also even said like, hey, I'm wanting to visit family up there around that time that you're going to be out there, so here's my number and let me know if when you get out there, and if we're out there at the same time, then I can give you a ride out to Shelter Cove. Yeah, that was that made my night. Things like that, or I'm at a loss for words at like how amazing and generous that was. You know, I just feel incredibly lucky and fortunate that that happened, you know, that I met somebody who happened to be from the area and gave me all this great advice. It sounds like it could be life-saving advice from the way she was talking about how scary that road is. So yeah. Good evening. I am going to Libertine Brewery for dinner and beers. After I went and had breakfast, I got donuts at Slow Dough Co., and they were really good. My favorite one that I tried was the circus animal cookie one. It was really good. So yeah, I probably got too many though. I don't know if I'll end up eating them all or what. So after that, I went to the hostel and did some choresy things and took a little nap, and yeah, now I'm out going for dinner. I don't know what it is about maybe just the people in this town or what, but as I've been walking through town, like, and I've had a crosswalk sign on to cross, like, this has happened 4 times already where people totally ignore that and just blow through, so that's kind of weird and awful driving. San Luis Obispo is also pretty hipster, and maybe more hipster than Seattle. I don't know.
And it's weird like Seattle too. I just saw a guy walking past with a cat on his shoulder. But yeah, I could live here.
Wow, maybe I should get this.
Alright, good evening. I'm gonna go get some dinner at the famous High Street Deli and may check out one more brewery before I go back to the hostel. So yeah, today's just been another relaxing kind of day. Good afternoon. It's my last rest day here in San Luis Obispo, and just had breakfast at Luis's place. It was really good, but kind of pricey for what it was. But I had these amazing sourdough pancakes. Alright, so the plan today is to finish up last minute chores and yeah, get ready to head out tomorrow.